Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Celia. So today I'm going to show you how to style this crop denim jacket. This is a spring 2020 summer's trend. So I wanted to show you guys 4 looks using this jacket. I really love it. I got this from Walmart. It was big, like long, and I just cut it using a knife, so it has this free raggedy end. This is in an extra large because I wanted the oversized look. So I'm just going to explain the look. This is already one of my looks, and this is just a casual outfit. Pants are from Fashion Nova, yes. My boots are from Target. My shirt is from H&M, and this is from Walmart, as I said. And this is just an everyday chilling, you know, wherever you want to go. You can even switch out the boots and wear some heels, and it's a night out look. Very casual, very nice. Day with the girls. And next, if you don't know, this fabric is in for spring. It's the crochet, that's what it calls. I think it's a crochet design. It's in for spring, and I decided to use this one because of the pop of the color of the orange, and orange looks nice and us dark skin girl. So I decided to use this. This set is from Windsor. I don't know if it's still in stock, but you guys can go and check. I got this a while back. So I styled this with some, these are from Ego Official. I just wanted something neutral. I love these even because it's like little fun. It has a zebra print, the animal print, which I love. And yeah, I went with this dress as a night out. So I would wear that first outfit as a night out, like a summer night out for drinks. This I got from Forever 21. Don't think this is in stock because I got it while it was on sale. And I would just pair it with these heels that I got from Windsor a while back. I love the color, the satin finish. I think they work well together. And this I would just wear even to date with your boyfriend or girls' night. You don't name it, but something more, you know, out there. I decided to style this because, you know, Demi and Demi's in. And I got this from Ross. And my shoes I got from Ross as well. And yeah, so guys, I just wanted to show you guys 4 ways of how to style crop jacket for the spring and summer. I hope you guys like it. If so, don't forget to leave this video like, hit that bell button so you get notified whenever I post new videos. Comment below, let me know if you like it. I want to continue doing fashion on my channel because that's what I really love, and I feel like a lot of people will like my style. And yeah, I just want to share some of that with you. So leave a comment, let me know, and take care, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.